Welcome and thank you for watching my channel, Destiny's World. Today we're just gonna show you the unboxing of DJI Osmo Pocket handheld 3-axis. It's the smallest 3-axis stabilized handheld camera DJI has ever designed. Its weight 166 grams. The height is 121.9 millimeters. The width is 28.6 millimeters by 36.9 millimeters. We buy it separately instead of bundle, and the reason why is because if something is wrong with one item, I can return it to Amazon anytime within 30 days. So this video is just about the unboxing of what's inside the Osmo Pocket that we bought. The box includes Osmo Pocket, a cover, smartphone adapter, which is for lighting, a power cable. In the coming video, we're going to show you how to install the DJI Osmo Pocket app on your phone and how to install each of the adapter that is included in the packet. The Osmo Pocket is connected with mobile phone only by an adapter. The Osmo Pocket is cost $339. There are two adapters. The one is for a smartphone and the other one is for the lightning that you can use for your power cable. We also bought the Skywit Osmo Pocket mount. The reason why, because the DJI Osmo Pocket is connected with mobile phone only by an adapter, and this will definitely cause some inconvenience for some user. It possesses some challenges in securing both phone and the Osmo Pocket because it requires two hands. So when you have the Osmo Pocket mount, like you just put the Osmo Pocket in your phone and you can start the video. We also bought the 512 gigabytes. It is ultra fast speed up to 100 megabytes per second, and it's transfer 4,000 ultra high definition videos, 24 hours of 24,000 ultra high definition videos, 78 full high definition videos. You can store 150,300 photos or 77,300 songs. This has four-proof protection, like 72 hours of seawater, extreme temperature, airport X-ray, and magnetic fields equivalent to MRI. The next one is the adjustable elastic chest strap. You can also use this one for a GoPro This is worth $16.99 and the chest strap is adjustable. There is a sound hole in the adapter which does not influence the radio effect. This is stable, reliable, non-slip, scratch resistant. We will know on the next coming videos if there's a truth on that. And the next one is DJI Osmo expansion kit, which include 32 GB Samsung memory card. This 4-piece costs $109. Thank you for watching and please subscribe and like, leave comments.